Okay, first, please do not ask me why I look like some possessed whatever down here. I'm using a different computer, and that's what I got. So we're going to go over some notes today, and the first thing I want to do is be able to see it. So I'm going to zoom to 100%, and then I'm going to go scroll to the top and take some notes. When you're dealing with decimals and multiplying these decimals, you want to pay attention to how many numbers are past the decimal point. Okay, so you will type in here 4 1/10 has one number after the decimal point. You can type it. 4 12/100 has 2 numbers after the decimal point. Therefore, 4 12/100 times 4 1/10 will have 3 numbers after the decimal point. Now, I'm going to continue to state that I would have trouble doing some typing on here. I would have a sheet of paper, but I know that I need to show my work. So I'm going to show you how to do this, making sure that you get it correct. I'm going to do this problem by writing it. 1 23/100 times 4 5/10. Now, with that stated, this is the basic. We've been doing this math for a while, so we're going to continue to practice and just pretend like there's not decimal points there at this point. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus the 1 makes it 11. Carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Add the 1. I get 6. So I'm done with these guys now. Now I am holding that place value because I had to go over a spot. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry my 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Add the 1 is 9. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay. Now we just add just like we normally do when we multiply. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 2, 3. 6 plus 9, 15. Carry the 1. And we get 5, 5, 3, 5. Now here's where we have to think about how many place values plus the decimal point. We have 1 number, 2 numbers, 3 numbers. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3 and place my decimal point. So the final answer to this one is that. To type what I'm going to type to make sure that my teacher knows I did what I was supposed to do is 1.23. Might give it a couple of spaces. Well, shoot. Times 4.5. I'll go down a little bit. I'm going to copy what's down there. 615. Should have pushed enter. 615. And the next one is 4920. Kind of trying to line those up so that we can tell what we did. Might even go back and put a little plus so that the teacher knows that I knew what I was doing. And I'll put my final answer down here. 535 thousandths. Those are my answers. All right. So we're going to practice on these. Make sure that you type your work. If you're doing your work on a piece of paper, do your best to type something in here so that I know what you've done. Yes, this is what we are doing in class. We are going to do breaking it into 2 points when we're in class. So small groups, very small groups. So this is one of the 2 parts of the day that we're going to have. How do I stop?